It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, September 23rd. I'm James Spann. Weather stays fairly dry tomorrow. Latest data suggesting things might be wet at times by Friday and the weekend, and potential for tropical mischief in the Gulf of Mexico next week. So a lot of things on the plate. Let's dive in. This is where we stand today. Water vapor satellite view. The polar jet is up in Canada, or near the Canadian border. Got a 588 ridge west of the state. Little weak upper low that is not too far from Apalachicola. But nothing on the radar. Radar with a clean sweep. That was at 236. It's possible a speck or two might pop up, and obviously most places will be dry tonight. Convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. No organized severe weather expected around the nation. And the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning of next week. I get the idea these guys will need to hit that a little harder. This is showing nothing from Birmingham north. But again, based on the 12Z model set, the runs are looking a little wetter now by Friday, Saturday, and possibly Sunday as well. So that will probably be adjusted higher. Off in the tropics, one system on the board, Tropical Storm Ida, packing sustained winds of 40 miles an hour. That thing's going to meander about, drifting north for the next 5 days, far from any landmass, so no worries there. Okie-doke model fans, here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. Polar jet up north, little weak upper low over the Florida Panhandle. And again, tomorrow looks fairly dry. Could there be a shower? Yes, but we think most locations will not have rain. Any showers isolated. Highs between 82 and 85, and that's about average for this time of the year. But notice Friday. An easterly flow. Moisture levels are rising. Friday looks like a day with increased cloud cover and increased opportunities for rain. I don't think it rains the whole day, but it could clearly rain at times. We could see some rain for the high school football games Friday night. I don't think we have any lightning, though, which is good, and that they'll get the games in. But rain, a distinct possibility. And because of the clouds and showers, doubtful we get out of the 70s. In fact, the GFS is printing a high of only 75 on Friday. And as the weekend begins, that moisture pool stays in place. So for Saturday, looks like a day with more clouds than sun. A few passing rain showers are likely with a high between 78 and 81. And the same thing for the college football games. I'd take the rain gear. Wouldn't call it a total washout by any means, but clearly we have the chance of showers in both Tuscaloosa and Auburn Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. So keep that in mind. Same thing Sunday, a chance of showers. Occasionally cloudy with a high close to 80. Monday, we stay moist with a chance of showers. And in the Gulf, yep, there's that low that we've seen very consistently portrayed in modeling. Tuesday, look what happens now. The GFS wants to bring it north. For the last couple of days, it didn't do that. Now it does. And this is a week from today, Wednesday the 30th. There's an upper low on the Texas coast, and we have a tropical low at the surface, a broad low around New Orleans. But it's very broad and weak. Check some of the other models. This is the European on Tuesday. It doesn't show any type of closed surface low. A good moisture fetch in the Gulf, but it's basically got nothing. But the Canadian does have something. It's got a deep surface low south of the mouth of the Mississippi River next Wednesday. So again, the models are just giving us the message that there's a good chance there could be a tropical low in the Gulf next week. We don't know at this point if it will be significant, and we don't know the ultimate destination. Thought we'd peek at the SSTs. And water's a little cooler near the immediate coast, the northern Gulf Coast. Temperatures are in the upper 70s Fahrenheit in many spots there, which is good, but we've still got some 80-degree water down south of there. So just something to watch, and we'll do that. We'll check the end of the forecast October 3rd. Little shortwave north of us. Looks like a cold front coming in from the north. That's right. Temperatures for the next 15 days. You can see how the ensembles are bringing the highs back in the 70s on Friday and Saturday because of clouds and showers. And then as we get into October, highs drop in the 70s and lows in the 50s, which is, again, right where we ought to be for that time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.